Hello kids, in this video we will talk about clothes. Dear students, as our body needs food to stay healthy and strong, similarly our body requires clothes to cover it, as they are also very important in our life. So, we human beings cover our body with different types of clothes. Clothes protect us from dust and bad weather, from rain, heat, and snow or cold. So, dear students, humans have protected themselves from cold or heat by making clothes from different fibers. Now, what are fibers? Fibers are very thin, thread-like strands from which fabric or cloth is made. There are two types of fibers: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers which are derived from plants and animals, such as cotton, silk, and wool. And synthetic fibers are the fibers which are man-made, and they are made from the chemicals such as nylon, terylene, rayon, and many others. So dear students, now I am going to show you some clothes made from the different fibers. So this is a frock and it is made up of cotton, and cotton is a natural fiber. Next we have a sweater. Sweater is made up of wool, and wool is also a natural fiber. And next we have a muffler. It is very soft and it is also made from the wool, and wool is a natural fiber. Next we have a shirt. Shirt is made up of rayon, which is a synthetic fiber. And last we have a trouser. This trouser is made up of polyester, which is a synthetic fiber. So my dear students, these are the natural fibers, means we get it from plants and animals, and these are the synthetic fibers, and synthetic fibers are also called artificial fibers, and they are human made. Now we are going to discuss about the natural fibers. So what are natural fibers? Natural fibers are the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, such as cotton, wool, and silk. Now we are going to discuss about these natural fibers. First of all, we will talk about cotton. Cotton is a white fleecy fiber that is obtained from the cotton plant. It grows around the cotton seeds. The fruit of the cotton plant is harvested, and the cotton fibers are separated from seeds in the factory. This is done using a machine called cotton gin, and this process is known as ginning of the cotton. Loose cotton is turned into yarns by the process known as spinning. The yarn obtained from spinning is woven to form cotton fabrics, which is then used to make cotton clothes, such as frocks, shirts, suits, bed sheets, and handkerchiefs. Now we are going to discuss about another natural fiber, that is wool. Wool is a soft, warm material obtained from the fleece of the sheep. Wool fibers stretch easily and are good insulators. This is the reason we use woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm in winter. We wear woolen clothes such as sweaters, gloves, woolen socks, mufflers and cardigans. Now we are going to talk about synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are the fibers which are man-made and do not derive from plants and animals. Some fibers are developed by way of scientific experiments using different chemicals. The examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, Dacron, terylene, rayon and polyester. Clothes made from them are easy to wash and also dry very quickly. Synthetic clothes also catches fire very easily. Synthetic fibers are used to make parachutes, curtains, ropes and variety of clothes. So now we are going to discuss about that how can we take care of our clothes. It is very important to take care of our clothes. Clothes must be washed well with detergent to remove dirt and stains. Delicate clothes like silk and woolens need to be dry cleaned. In dry cleaning, petrol or benzene is used to remove dirt and stains. Woolen and silk clothes must be stored with mothballs and dried neem leaves. This keeps insects away from attacking the clothes. After drying, clothes must be ironed. So my dear students, this is all about clothes, fibers and types of fibers and how can we take care of our clothes. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.